Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am here to pick my winners for the Timeless Memories of Vintage YouTube Hop that we just had last Sunday. And I'm kind of late doing these, but I wanted to go ahead and get them done before the holidays, but I probably won't be able to mail them out until after the holidays. I hope everybody can understand that it's going to be hectic for, uh, well, I'm sure it's going to be hectic for everybody. So if you guys don't mind, um, go ahead and send me your information and I'll get the package ready. And by the time, like the 2nd or maybe even the 4th, January 4th, I'll be able to mail them out. So let me show you what I'm giving away. And let's see. I'll be giving away my my frame. Yes, I'm gonna give it away. That was the first day that so I guess, oh gosh, sorry. So let me do that. Let me go by what you'll be winning. So you'll be winning this vintage frame that I did the first week, and I've already downloaded the URL onto my tablet here, and I am going to I wish this wasn't on. I am going to start. Oh, this is so much fun. And the winner is, oh my gosh, it's Debbie Vignola. Yay! Oh my gosh, Debbie. Okay, let me get my notebook here. So I will make sure I'll get all this wrapped up, ready to go for everybody. So the first winner for my vintage frame is Debbie Vignola. And all you had to do, guys, was to comment. I wasn't asking, for anything else. Okay, so now let me go to my next one. Let's see here. Okay. So that was for November 18th. That was the first one. So the second one was cards, the Christmas cards that I said that I wasn't giving those away because I already mailed them out. So let's go to December 2nd. Timeless. Oop. I am going to go to share, and I'm going to copy my link, and then go back to random picker, and I'm going to delete this and then copy the new one. Okay, so when was this one? December 2nd, I believe it was the fan. So as you can see, here's the vintage fan that I made for the hop, and I'm going to be giving this away. Okay. Okay, so there were 42 unique commenters. I didn't comment on everybody's comment or reply to everybody's comment because I knew I was going to be doing this. Okay, so now I'm going to start. Let's see who's going to win my fan. Oh my gosh, it's Deb Hoke's Crafty Cottage. Yay, Deb. So my vintage fan is going to go to Deb Hoke. Yay. This is really cool. I love doing this. Okay. All right. So let me delete this one again. Let me delete this, and then I'll go back to my YouTube channel. And I'm going to go to December 9th. Make vintage furniture. Okay, so this one was the vintage furniture. And I'm going to share, and I'm going to copy the link. And I'm going to go back to Random Picker. And I'm going to paste the URL there. Okay, I had 45 unique comments. So let me show you, before I press start, let me show you the two vintage furniture that I did. So here are the two. This is like a dresser that I did, and you see me. And then here's a rocking chair with a cute little bear. So you'll be winning those two, and I'm going to press start. Here we go. And the winner is Tina A. Oh my gosh, yay, Tina. My vintage furniture. Yay. Okay. This is fun. Okay. So I'm going to go back to my YouTube. Cross that out. Now the last one was my vintage journal that I made. And I'm going to copy the link. Oh wait, I'm going to put that back up. And then I'm going to go back to Random Picker, and I'm going to paste the URL and find it. And then how many did I have? Oh, I had 38 comments on my on that video. And let me show you the vintage journal that I made. It's just a singular journal, and it has coffee dyed paper and some some pockets. So you'll be winning this. Okay, so let me press start. Sorry about the glare, guys. My lighting is terrible. Okay, so let's start. And the winner is Crafty House Kitty, Jen. Hey, yay! So my vintage journal will go to Crafting House. It's a new person. Yay, I love it. Kitty Jen. Okay, ladies. If you guys can send me your addresses soon so I can have it all packaged up. I'll put my email down below in the description box, so you guys can just shoot me an email with your address so I can mail these off January 4th. So yay to the lucky winners. Thank you so much. I love the hop and it was so much fun creating. And I hope you guys enjoy my little giveaway. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a fabulous holiday season and I'll see you next year. Bye everybody.